Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Melloz. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. In today's video, Rosalind Amazon reached out to me and asked me to try some of their products. So of course I chose Polygel. So I chose the soft pink and opal. So here you'll see that soft pink. It's a really light pink color. There you go. And I really like the colors, so that was a good start for the product. This white, this opal is more like a milky white, as you can probably tell from here. It's not like a white. There's no glitter or anything in it. It's just that milky white color. So that's the one I chose to go with for my design. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of this Polygel on here to start, because I just want a thin layer, because I'm gonna be encapsulating some fruit pieces. So I just want a thin layer, that way the nails are not too thick. So first impressions, this Polygel was really nice. It was really soft, it was really pillowy, easy to work with, as you can probably tell from here. It's not at all sticky, which is always great. I think it was kind of warm in my room when I was working, so that might have helped, not sure, but I think it worked. It was great, not sticky at all. And I use 91% alcohol for my slip solution, which is what I always use, and this worked just fine with that, not at all sticky. So you can see here I've got my thin layer on, and once I do that, then you'll see me go in with my fruit pieces. And what I'm doing, I'm putting the fruit pieces on here, that way when I cure it, they'll cure in place. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just placing them all down. And yeah, but I really like this Polygel. I would definitely buy it. I mean, it works great. It's nice, like I said, nice and soft and easy to work with. I think it's great. So yeah, you'll just see me sticking on these Fimo pieces, I guess you call them. And also they gave me a link to the product, so it will be linked in the description below. And there is also a 10% off coupon code as well that will be there with the link, so you can get 10% off of their product. Like I said, I really enjoy it. I would actually buy it. The price point is not too bad either, so I think it's pretty good. I'm kind of looking forward to trying the pink one. I think it would be, I feel like it'll work the same as this opal, but we'll have to see. But like I said, it's really good Polygel. I would definitely buy this brand. I think it must be new, because I've never seen it before on Amazon. So it must be kind of newer to the market, I believe. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments below if you've seen it, if you've tried it, what you think about it, because this is my first time seeing it. I didn't know it existed. So you guys let me know if you tried it, if you like it, and what are your thoughts about this brand. I know I've seen from them, they've had like gel polishes, stuff like that. I've seen the brand before, just not the Polygel. So let me know, guys, tell me what you think. But yeah, so this nail, I'm just going in with just the white color. I'm not gonna put anything on this one. And hey, also, if you guys have any questions or anything on how I do my Polygel, let me know in the comments as well, because I try to answer. I usually answer all my comments, so I will definitely get back to you if you have any questions. So yeah, and I don't like to waste the polygel, so whenever I take any off of the tip, if I can reuse it, that's just what I did just now. I just reused it, put it back on top, because it did need a bit more anyway, so it worked out. I can use it again, and it worked out. So I'm just doing the white on here, and then I'm just gonna put the do that on this nail. And I'm sure you guys can tell from probably the thumbnail by now, the design that I did. So I'll just let you guys watch. Like I said, don't forget to check the description box, because the link to the polygel will be down there. And there is a 10% discount code that'll be there as well. So don't forget to check that out. But yeah, this Rosalind Polygel is really good. I really like it. I would definitely recommend you guys try it out. Let me know what you think. But it's great. So I'm gonna let you guys watch from here. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.